Hey everybody, Chris from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are going over the second generation wireless air kit from Pacbrake. Let's talk application. Being that this is a universal kit, it can be installed on any truck, just needs a 12-volt power source and a good spot to mount it. This wireless air control kit will have a few options you can select on the product page, first of which is single or dual channel. Single channel will allow for 2 airbags control at the same time, and dual channel will allow for individual airbag control for fine tuning. Your next option is going to be whether you want the standard duty compressor or the heavy duty compressor. The HP90 standard compressor will give you a max continuous runtime of 5 minutes on with 55 minutes off and 120 psi max pressure. The HP325 heavy duty compressor will allow for a continuous 20 minutes on with 40 minutes off and a max of 150 psi. Both compressor options will come with or without quickie mount, which combines the whole kit onto this singular bracket for easier install. The controls for these kits are completely wireless, so you will need a smartphone to access the free app. They do support both iOS and Android devices. This kit will include the fully waterproof wireless controller and air compressor, and of course all of the airlines, wiring harness, and military grade solenoids. This kit is on demand though, so you don't need an air tank. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. You can also reach us by email or chats on our site. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.